Xin chào, I'm your V-Helper Freevian. In this video, I'll show you an automation script that takes your video information extraction to a whole new level. You don't even need to watch the video itself. Within 3 minutes, you can understand more than the top 5% of viewers. This tool is super easy to use, really out of the box, and works with all major video platforms. But toy. A quick note, you'll get the best experience with at least an RTX 3050. If you're on integrated graphic, it's still possible, but much slower, which can take at least half an hour per video without a dedicated GPU. Here's how it works. First, go to the GitHub repo I've shared. The link is in the description. Once you're there, head over the releases and download the latest zip file at the top. Extract it to any folder you like. Open that folder and run the file called run.bat. Since this is a small open source tool and I haven't purchased the Windows certification, you'll see a security alert. Just click More Info and then run anyway. You'll see two windows appear. First, select the window that says Load Whisper Model. Here, you'll need to set the model path. Just find the folder you extracted, go into the models directory, and select the .bin file you see there. Click OK, and you're all set. Now let's try this out with a video from YouTube. For example, you can search for New York travel guide. Choose any video. Drag it to your browser's address bar, and then press Ctrl+C to copy the video link. Go to the terminal window, press Ctrl+V to paste the link, and hit Enter. Wait for the audio file to download. When you see the green text, the download is done. The script will automatically copy the path to the downloaded audio file to your clipboard. Switch back to the other window. First, pick your language, in this case, English. Make sure the Translate option is not selected. In the transcribe file input box, press Ctrl+A to select all and Ctrl+V to paste the path you just copied. For output format, choose text file. And check the box to place the file in the input folder. Then click Transcribe. Wait for the progress bar to finish. The speed here really depends on your GPU. Without a dedicated graphic card, the step can be very slow. Here it took about 2 minutes. When it's done, click OK, go back to the terminal, and type V. It's not case sensitive. The script will now automatically copy the transcript to your clipboard. From here, you can just go to your favorite AI website and ask about the video. For example, you can say, explain this in Vietnamese, then just paste the transcript. In less than 3 minutes, you'll have a deep understanding of a 28-minute video, sometimes even better than the top 5% of people who actually watch the whole thing. Let's try a couple more videos to show how flexible this workflow is. Say you want to travel to Mexico, but you don't know Russian, so you want to find travel guide made by locals. Just ask your AI site for some relevant keywords. Use those to find interesting videos on YouTube. Copy the video link into the terminal and wait for the download. When it's done, switch the language to Russian. Paste the audio URL into the input box. Click Transcribe. After it finishes, type V in the terminal and take the transcript to your AI site for summarization. Done. Or maybe you want to travel to Japan. So ask your AI site for Japanese search term. Look for videos, paste the URL, download it, copy the URL into the input box, transcribe, and after it's done, type V in the terminal and ask your AI for summary. That's it. Once you get used to this workflow, you can triple your information gathering speed. Honestly, in the AI era, this is the most efficient way to extract value from video content. Now, let me briefly explain how this workflow actually works. To be honest, I didn't build everything from scratch. I just spent about 5 hours writing a batch script to automate the process using existing tools. If you open the folder where run.bat is located, you'll see the main tool used. The first one, yt-dlp.exe, is for the downloading videos and audios from website. The original parameters are pretty complex, so beginners usually struggle with it. My workflow simplifies everything. Now, you can find the original project on GitHub, and the .exe file is always in the latest release. Next, there's whisper-desktop.exe, which transcribes audio files. It's a very straightforward application and doesn't require any special dependencies. The models folder contains the AI models from an open source Hugging Face project. Here, I use the small model. If you have any better graphic card and want even more accuracy, you can download higher parameter models from Hugging Face yourself. There's also a .ps1 file I wrote, which automates the entire workflow and optimizes the process. The target folder stores all downloaded audio files and generated transcripts. Feel free to clean this up regularly. Everything is available in GitHub, so help yourself. If you run into any problems, just check the README for more info. That's all for today. The next video is about how to make your own personal website. I'm your V-Helper Freevian. Hẹn gặp lại bạn ở video tiếp theo.